Hello everyone, my name is Harun and today I will show you how to make an assembly design in CATIA. You can see in the picture of the model we will work on it today, and for assembly design you must have all the parts. So I have here all the parts, you can see it. Now we will open CATIA, start mechanical design, assembly design. Now right click here, components, existing components, so I will put it all these components. Open. Okay. I have a problem with the name of parts. I have the same name for two parts, so I will ornament it. Okay. Now we have your part here, so I will use compass to see them better. So you can grab and grab them and move them on the part, and now just move it like this and this. So you can see all the part. We will start from this part here, and it will be based for other parts. So we'll click on it and click here to fix component. Now you can add other parts. Click here on coincidence constraint. Click here and now click find axis on the part and axis of this part. Click update. Now you have click here contact constraint, click this surface here and surface here, click update, and you join two parts. Let's move on this part here. So I will rotate this part like this. Update, and now use contact constraint again, this surface and this surface here, and update. Have other parts. Now we'll do same with other parts, this part here and this part here, and update. And now we will use offset constraint. Click on this surface here and this surface here and put it like 15. Okay, now update. You have, now we will add this part here, click it here and click here and update. Now you use offset constraint again. Click on this surface here and this surface here and put 0 here and okay. Can update and you get it. See, but now you need only to click here and this one here and update, and you see it's very simple to use, and that will be all for this time. See you next time and please subscribe.